Well, hello. Today we have a super quick video. We're going to be working with for loops again. Last time we just learned how to make things go like right or like up and down, but to at least make a lot of different shapes. Today we're going to be messing around with the color and size. So maybe we can make the size and color of our shapes change. I think that'll be some really cool visual effects. So let's start with this. So we're going to start with our for loop. Remember, it's I equals 0. That's our starting value. I is less than 400, and I plus equals 10. Okay? So the first thing we want to do is, let's say we want to change the size of a circle going across the screen. Now, what we would first do is just start with our ellipse, and let's just make it go across the screen as we did before. So it's I, 200, and then let's make it them all 50. So if you look here, that's our normal one, right? They're all the same exact size. They all have the same Y position, but the X position goes up and up and up. But have you ever thought, like, what if I just went like this? What if I took that third number, which is the width and the height, and I did this? I just said, let's make it set equal to I. We can go like this now, and you look, it gets bigger also, right? So instead of just going across the screen and all having the same width, it now starts at 0, and then you have one at 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, all the way up. So you get this really nice, cool effect right here, right? So the next thing we can do is just start playing with that number. So right now, it's always I, right? Well, let's say we said I divided by 2. What would happen then? What do we get? See how it goes up by a smaller rate. Let's say we did this. I, and then let's add a fourth number to do I divided by 2. So now we have a width of I, but we have a height of I divided by 2. So we get these little ovals, right? Or we could do I divided by 1.5. I don't know. Who knows? I could have fun with this all day. So the point of the matter is, if you shift that third or fourth number, which is the width and the height of it, you could also make that increase. You could also make it get smaller. So maybe you could do like start at 1,000 and do 1,000 minus I. So, oh, that's too big. Let's do 400 minus I. And you get this kind of cool effect, right? It looks like this downward pyramid. In fact, let's keep just having fun with this. Really, I have no plan. I'm just messing around with things. You get that kind of cool effect over there, right? Or you can do this again, right? So, I mean, I could do this all day and get some really cool things going on. Let's do 800. That's kind of cool too. All right. That's it. I gotta stop. I'm having too much fun here. So you can do all sorts of crazy things. Now, the other thing we can do. Let's go back a little bit to make this back to normal land, so we're not going crazy anymore. Let's just do this. Okay, so we're back in like a normal, nice one like that, and let's increase every 30. Now we could also shift the color too. So before, let's say we want to make it blue, we do 0, 0, 255, right? And you get this nice effect. They're all blue. Well, what if you started putting? What if you just put I in here, right? So instead of 0, you started at that. You'll notice that it starts really dark, right? Because it's 0, 0, 0, and it gets more, as you add, it goes 0, 10, 20, you keep adding more and more blue until it's the most blue it could be. You could do other things. So let's make them like all I. Maybe we get something interesting there. That's not as interesting. But what if we did 255 minus I for that first one? That's kind of cool. Maybe if we did 255 minus I for that second one. That's kind of, that's not great. I don't know. But you could play with these numbers all day and get some really cool stuff by shifting the colors here. So remember, you could put I in for fill and get some cool things. You can get I in for the width and height and get some really cool things going on there too. That's this whole lesson. All right. Have fun, experiment, do crazy things. You'll see awesome things happen. That's it. Bye.